Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload CV on NaukriGulf app. Now, let's see how to upload your CV on NaukriGulf. First, open the mobile app and log in using your registered email and password. After login, click on the profile icon and scroll down. Here you will see the option that says Upload CV. Tap on that. Click on Choose File or Browser or even Upload from mobile, and always upload your clear and updated CV. Use a sample file name like mycv.pdf. Update your CV regular for better job chances. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.